Guys, welcome to another piano tutorial. It's been long, and so today I'll be showing you how to set the worship in Yamaha PSR E453. Alright, so when you on the piano Yamaha E453, the default voice that comes is a grand piano. Alright, so and if you want to continue, like to make a beautiful worship groove, you first of all dual the voice. All right, so if I long press dual, you see that if I long press it, okay, D stands for dual, means D voice means dual voice. So the default dual voice here is strings, so I want to put 600. Okay, so I'll put 600, okay, 600 gives me one part. Okay, now I come to dual. Okay, now I take dual, I press it just once. Okay, so if I press it just once, it appears on the screen. Now if I want to increase, so you cannot really get it. Okay, now if I want to increase the volume, I come to category. Okay, if I come to category, I take plus. Okay, you see that D, I see D voice. Okay, that's D voice there. A D volume rather means the dual volume. So I come to this die button, I increase the volume. Okay, so I'm increasing the volume. Okay, I'll increase it even up to 115 or 120. Let me see, 115, 118. Okay, you now get a one part in it. Okay, now to make it to be more beautiful again, I'll add sustain. Okay, so you can get the one part now. So I'll come to these buttons here. All right, so I take assign. If you press assign, normally if you look on the board here, we have what is called, we have a 1. All right, so if I'm pressing my assign now. Okay, so if I press assign, you see it goes to 2 and it goes to 3 as well. So now when it goes to 3, I come to this button here, okay, which is B. Okay, I turn it. All right, that is clockwise. Okay, if I turn it clockwise, mean this line here, just because the button is a bit bad, you would have been seeing the direction. Okay, so this line here, I turn it clockwise rather. Okay, see, you see, so if I turn it clockwise, I'll be sustaining the sound. Okay, now get how the sound is kind of sustained. All right, so if you increase it for long, if you turn it again, you see the sustain is higher, so I choose just what is best for me. Okay, I reduce it a bit. Alright, so that's the best way, guys, to make a beautiful worship sound on this Yamaha series. Okay, so I think that's all. I hope you learned something. Do well to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.